Hello and welcome to Creating with Miss K. Today I am in a open collaboration titled All Things Decor, hosted by Debby Bubbles and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. These two ladies chose the following co-hosts: Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Lifestyles Design with Lisa, At Home with Lisa, Deborah Cabasia, Home Living, Design with Emma, Creations by Simone, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and yours truly, Creating with Miss K. They gave us the choice to decorate any tabletop, so I decided to decorate and style my kitchen table, service for 5. We're starting off with just my table, and here is my centerpiece, a nice, lovely summer spring tree. Let's just sit back, watch as I complete this tablescape. If this is your first time to my channel, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share. When you finish with my video, make sure you go by the other participants' channel to watch their videos all the way to the end. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'm giving you a peek into my living room area, which is also decorated in this beautiful fuchsia color. I wanted my kitchen setting to match, and I think everything turned out wonderful. Now that my table is complete, I decided to light a few candles. So let's see what it looks like in the evening time. I would like to thank Debby and Ana again for choosing me to be one of the co-hosts. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.